viewer waiting. We're not streaming? Oh, I was just talking this whole time, and we weren't even streaming. All right, now we're streaming. There's a timer up in the corner. That's just for me. I have to get up. You know how you guys doing over there? Who the one viewer? My one and only viewer. How you doing? Basically, what this project or what this is today, and you know, for a little bit, is we're gonna work on some portfolios using Unreal. The reason I want to do that is because I haven't really used Unreal that much, and I want to start building some projects in there. And I feel like coming up with concepts here, we're going to help ourselves out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the third-person template, and maybe we'll make like a pickpocket mechanic. Yes, if I can talk. So we're going to go here. We're going to get third person. We're going to get C++. We're going to call this pickpocket. And the goal of this right now, we'll say mechanics. 02 mechanics. We're gonna try and make a pickpocketing thing, so then we can maybe we could use it in another game, or we could just kind of show it off. That's good for portfolios here, you know. First, we're gonna start with kind of gray boxed out issues. So what we're gonna need, let's make like a list of this, right? So I mean, I can do Notepad. I'm a Notepad guy sometimes. And here's my ChatGPT. Here's my idols. Okay, let's just do another one. So what we're gonna need, well, we have movement. Movement's done. We need an inventory. Okay. We need NPC that walks around, detects you, right? Sees you in front. You know, if you're there, if he can, or whatever. The whole idea, let's see. Mechanic, pickpocket, don't get caught. You know, something like that. Something to give us a vibe of what we're trying to do. We're doing an NPC, he walks around, he detects if he sees you. He has items. Maybe we need like a UI pop-up screen that says what he has. And so we can have like coins. You can have, you know, our, necklace, stuff like that. That seems like good stuff that he would have. So I think, you know, let's see, is that really it? And then we have it and we keep it. So the first step, you know, I like to just make sure that everything works here. All right. And what we want also is we want to make sure that our blueprint. Let's see. If we go into here, we open our full blueprint editor. We can check here to see if I think crouch is enabled, right? Like, there's a way. I'm learning this with you guys. Like, this is not like a tutorial. This is more of like a me learning in public. So if I do something wrong, make sure to make fun of me, so I don't do it again. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. Nav movement. I think crouch. So now if I do, I gotta look at what they're. I feel like control is crouch. That only makes sense. It's not. Okay, how do I crouch? So let's go here. Let's make control crouch. Can I just do this? If it's pressed, should crouch. Let's just say crouch. Okay. That is crouching. I want crouch. Get wants to crouch, whatever. Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to do our first Google of the day already, huh? Let's see. So it's in general settings. Crouch half height is 40 centimeters. I guess what I can do is look at the, you know, they have the input here. We have the mappings. We have move, look. We don't have crouch. So how do we add that? I guess we go through here. Alright, we need a crouch. I guess we could just do this ourselves here. Okay. So I'll copy them here. We'll do a input action here. Input action, IA crouch. Alright, sure. IA crouch, good. And we want left control. And triggers, what is that? Fires once input has remained actuated. Okay, no, we don't want that. No, I think we're good on this. Any modifiers? No, I think we're good there. So I think we just want it pushed. And let's, I guess, add it to it. So let's see. Do I have to like, oh wait, yeah. Do I have to initiate that? Can I just do IA crouch? Let's see. And let's just do a print crouch. Okay, let's see. Let's make sure we save on compile, on success, and let's go for it. Let's crouch. Okay, cool. So now while we do this, we're going to make a variable called is crouching. Okay, there we go. Set is crouching to true, and then is crouching is false, and then we'll just do a print true. Duplicate that. False. Or we could like just do this, right? It's fine. We're gonna remove it anyway. We're just gonna do this for now. Let's see if we can get the crouch. Oh, I can't see it, but I'm sure it worked. True, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. There we go. Now let's just let's see if there's already a crouching animation. I don't think there is. Characters, I don't think there's a crouching animation. Let's be real. Let's be unreal. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change this out for a character that my own character here. So let's go characters. We'll call this guy. I'm going to go in here. I have a guy that I made. Where? Oh, no, look at that. Babino, where's my guy? Here. No, it's in downloads. Should be in there. Let's put it in there while we're here. Okay. Guy, put it in here. Let's take the T-pose one, pop it in. I needed to do this, import all. Okay, we got this guy. And now for animations, let's go here, we'll do animations. Yeah, I spelled that all correct. And we'll put in this. Okay, and they're all going to use this guy, import all. Okay, so we have that. Let's create a blend space. Using this guy, we'll do a BS walk run. Okay, and we're going to start with the idle at 0, run at 500. Okay, so we'll do speed 500, and walk, sure. Okay, so run is going to be 500. Walk is going to be, I did this in a weird order. Let's say 230, and idle will be 0, perfect. Okay, so just to test it, it's looking good. Looking like a guy here. Alright. Say 3. Think that's good. So now we got to make like a little animation blueprint for this guy. Animation blueprint. This guy, we'll say ABP guy. I want to make it small. I like it small. I like the the vibe when things are small here. ABP guy, okay. We're going to create a state machine. State machine, there we go. We're going to call this locomotion, because it's loco. Put it in here. We're going to do a idle, add state, idle, add state, walk, run. Okay. Put all these in the same kind of boat here. Idle goes this way, walk, run goes this way. Let's make a bool called should run. This is here. If it's true. Okay, and the other way should not run. Then we do this. Alright, easy. There's that. That part's good. Now we just need the actual idle pose here, so we'll do this here. That's idle. And then here we do our little blend space. We need a variable for run speed. Pop that here. Pop that there. We got that. Now we just need to set that. So what we want is on start. What was it? Begin play? I think so. I think that's what it is. And we want a character. I think we want a reference to our character. We want a reference to our character movement. All right, we're learning this right now. We started as full potatoes. We're getting to this point here. All right, so we want to set our character. So we get owner, owner character, get character, character. I'm going to set character or something here. Now, it's like get owner, get player, get character owner. Oh, no, that's not it. Almost. Get character, get player character. Let's see if that's it. That should work. Sure. And now we'll just do this here. Make sure it's not null. And we're going to go for, let's say, print. We got character. All right. And now we're just going to set our little, let's just set our third person character to this guy. And T-pose it up. Oh, yeah, and of course we need to use our animation blueprint. There we go. Now we're vibing. Stuck in got character. Okay, cool. So we're here, we have our character. Now we just need to detect if we are running. So let's do a sequence. First, let's set our speed. So we're going to do, we have character. Oh, let's actually get character movement. Set character movement here. There we go. Make sure all this is in a line. And now we're going to set our run speed here. So set run speed. And our run speed is basically the magnitude of the velocity. So let's go here. Let's get velocity. I know they have velocity. There it is. And then we want magnitude, XY, vector length XY. That's it. And that should be our speed, right? Because XY is the same thing as left and right. I think Y in Unity is up, but in this one it's left and right. It's fine. Then we're going to set should run. Yep. And should run basically will be if we probably want to, do we want to save the velocity? if the velocity, let's save it. Okay. Set our velocity here. This is what I hate about blueprints, huh? So messy. So we set our velocity. Then we just replace that with this. That's fine here. Okay, so now we can say if our velocity is not equal to 0 and our run speed is greater than, and I think 3 is like the standard value. We do an and. Yep. This and that. This and this. And there's that. So now we should be able to run. What's our warning here? Entry node and locomotion is not connected to state. Oh, okay. Whoops. Connect to state. There we go. Is that good? Let's see. Are we going to move? We're going to move. We got our guy moving here. Okay, he doesn't jump. That's fine. We're not worried about jumping right now. What we're worried about is crouching. So let's go get some crouching animations here. I showed you myself here. Let's go here. Mixamo.com. Mixamo is not a .com, I guess. Yes, it is. But they need the W's. You got to use your W's to get Mixamo, huh? Let's go in here. Yes, use it. Look at all my emails. That's fine. All right, we're in Mixamo. And we want a crouch. We also want a crouching idle, probably. So we want a standing to crouch and a crouch standing. We want crouch walking. That seems good. Let's get that. Let's do download. Without skin, 60 frames. Download that. That's one. We need to enter crouching. Standing to crouched. But that's like kneeling. Crouch to standing idle. Crouch to stand here. Standing to crouched. Let's trim it. That's probably good. Just download that. Let's trim the beginning of this one. Seems good. Okay. So what do we have right now? What do we have? Let's go downloads. Crouch walking, standing to crouch. So we need crouch idle. Crouch idle. This is why are you so far into the ground, buddy? The whole action adventure pack here. Should I just get this? I don't even know what's in here. It's not even in place. That's the issue here. Crouch idle with a gun. Crouch idle. It's just my arms are. Oh, well, we can bring that in. Huh? Oh, I gotta get up. Let's get up for a second here and think about what's going on here. Okay, all right, so we got crouching idle. If we didn't have this nonsense here, it'd be good, but it's like with that thing, we got this guy doing some crazy thing here. We got this guy here. That's good. That's what I want. Let's download that. We could even bring in the arms, I feel like. What if we brought the arms in a little bit? Little clippy. Look close. That looks good. Let's re-download that. Just trying to walk around a bit, get my legs moving here. Smelling some lavender. Keep myself nice and popped up here. Alright, let's see. So we got this. And the thing about what we're doing with this character is obviously he's just a placeholder character, but I wanted to be able to use the Mixamo animations because it's faster. Otherwise I would have to go and do all this nonsense to use the animations and retargeting and all this BS. So I'd rather just import this and use the Mixamo character. And then when it's time, when we have something nice, we go and replace everything with like high fidelity stuff from the asset store here in Unreal, using the mega scans and using all their high quality assets. We are going to create something nice. So that's the plan, at least, huh? We're going over here. We're doing what we do. Okay, let's see. What's our timer at here? Our stand timer. We got 50 seconds left. Drink some water here. I sit way too much. It's no good. My back hates it. My back hates it so much. So we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna sit down early. Ooh, get to making games here. All right, let's see. All right. So I guess what we can do is make another blend space here. So let's create a folder. Walk, run. Put all this BS in here. All right, we'll do crouched. Walk, run. And we'll get this reset, this back. We get our big boys here. Guy at crouch, walk. Guy at crouch to stand to crouch. Guy at crouch to stand. All right. And guy at crouch idle. Okay, so we got these four. Bring them in. Okay, we're using our guy T-pose. Import all. All right. Let's create another blend space really quick. It's a 1D. Blend space. Shit, wrong mannequin here. Animation. Blend space 1D. Use our guy T-pose. BS, crouch, walk, run. All right. Here we go. We're going to do in the crouch idle and crouch walk. That's the two. We're going to do, say, 500. Might as well. We're going to say, well, we'll say 300. I think that's good. All right. Because we're going to walk a little slower. We'll do speed. We'll set this one to 0 and this one to 300. All right. And so now if we go, see how it looks. What is it? Control. Okay. We got ourselves a little crouch thing. All right. So cool. What about if we do this 3? There's a little smoothing time in between. All right, and let's just, I think we're good there. Save that. Okay, now back to our ABP. We go locomotion, idle, walk, run, and I guess from here we do one down. So we do our add state, crouch, idle, and we can go from here to add state, crouch, walk, run. Go from here to there. Go from here to here. Wait, I can add a state alias? What is that? Let's see what that is. State alias. Ah, I see. Okay, so that's like for to crouch. Okay. So from idle or walk run, we do to crouch. Okay, so we do like a add state alias to crouch, right? And then we go from here and here to there or there. And we get rid of that. Get rid of this. And we go here, right? So that's there. And then we also have one from crouch where we go back. 1, 2. And this comes from here or here. So we got our little X's and O's here all lined up. Ready to go here. Okay. Real mess. To crouch, from crouch. Okay. Crouch, one, run, walk. Still needs to be tied up. Something like this and this. And I wish I knew the secrets because this is already a mess. And there's not even much to do. Alright, crouch idle from to and okay, let's do from crouch. What is that? So let's create a state. How do we do the state alias? So I guess I do like a stand to crouch. Well, I mean, even then, it's just one animation, huh? So let's do to crouch. Let's just do this. Add state to crouch. So it's just one animation. We just do this. We're going to crouch. Don't worry about all this other BS. To crouch. That'll go this way and this way. Okay. We're going to get our to crouch animation. So guy, stand to crouch. It goes there. Okay. And that should happen if we have should crouch. Okay. Bool. Should crouch. Get should crouch. Perfect. Okay. And that's the same thing for this one. Should crouch. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So that's good. There. From there, we go to crouch idle or crouch walk, depending on what's going on. Okay. So we're already at should crouch. We want to say should crouch is still true, and should run is false. Not cool. The and. Okay. So if we shouldn't run, but we are crouching, we're going to idle. Okay. That's this, should crouch and should not run. This is should crouch and should run. Should crouch and should run. One and one. Alright. One is done. Compile. Okay. So now we should crouch and should run, should crouch and not should run. And let's do a from crouch. And that can go from here. And that can go from here. So they can both go this way. we'll say should crouch is true. Then two from crouch. So should not. This is not. Okay. If it's not, if we shouldn't crouch, do that. Otherwise, we're going this way. We should do it. Okay. And then so we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Okay. This is if should crouch. Well, we already checking it so many times. Let's just do should run. No. Okay. And shit. Should run. Not should run. Right? Not bool. Okay, we're getting here. We're getting somewhere here. All right. Should run, not should run. Easy. Okay. And then from here, we just go this way if we should not crouch. So not bool should not crouch. Q. Control C. Do the same thing here. Control V. Okay. And I guess we don't, oh shit, I closed the event graph, that's fine. So I guess we don't need this to say should crouch. It should just be should run. No, I like the idea of being able to do it mid-crouch here. All right. Okay. We also want to stop here, right, on a certain time. Let's see, how do we do that? What did I do? Just like 1. And here I do like a 1. And let's just set should crouch and see how it looks. So let's go here. Okay. We're going to go here. We're going to get our third person character, I guess, controller. Let's do it. So controller, say this. Controller, third person character. Okay. We can just do this. Is that not just this? Is that not the same thing as this? Let's see. Set. If I just cast to third person character. Let's see what happens. So then maybe I don't even need this. Okay. And then we have this, all that in a line. Okay. Didn't work in the line, but it's fine. This and this should be lined up. You should be lined up. Here, well, let's change this to this. Okay. Just gotta check if it's null, why not? Always good to do that. Okay. Alright, and if cast failed, we'll just say print hello. Alright. So the cast didn't fail. Did it? Didn't fail. Okay. So we're good there. We don't need this anymore. And now on then 3, or then 2, we'll do should crouch. Now we could just do it at the end of this one. It's better just to split it up, huh? Okay, so this is for run. Should run. This is also part of should run. So checking if we should run. And we should set if we should crouch equal to, just get the controller over here. And that is equal to should crouch. Oh, is crouching. Is crouching. Okay, there we go. Then, and let's see. Okay. Something happened. But I don't know what. Anim graph, locomotion. Oh, yeah, of course. Crouch idle is this one. Okay. And crouch walk run is this one. We're gonna do run speed there. And we're gonna set our run speed. To 300 here. And 500 here. Okay. Oh, yeah, and I don't have the leave. Alright, so from crouch, we're doing crouch to stand, alright. And from crouch, we're doing this, and we're doing this. And we'll go. Where is it? Is this one? Should run not bool. Yep, there's that. And then from here we go up. Should run yes. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're good on that. Looking good, looking okay. Let's go a little slower. Oh shit. Close my BP. Can I just do like control tab? Gotta open it all the way back up. Alright, there we go. Let's say 100. Let's see if that changes anything. Oh, it does. Okay. 250. Still pretty fast. I like the slower crouches. 150. Alright, and now let's just make in the blend space here. Let's make that go to 150. And here, that's 150. Alright, let's try that out now. Oh, that looks good, huh? Okay. So we're crouching around. Nobody knows what we're doing here. Even without IK, it looks pretty okay. It looks good enough. Like, not good enough, obviously. Like, but it's cool. It's crazy how good it looks. Like Unreal's pretty good, and you shouldn't. Yeah, I mean that jump is goofy there on its own. But okay, we can knock things around in our crouch, pushing it around. I'm a big boy. This guy's actually pretty giant. Woo. Okay. All right. So we got our little crouch cycle here. That's good. That was fun. All right. So now we need to create like an NPC that maybe walks around. So let's just do this here. Let's create a new C++ class. We'll call this an actor. Characters are pawns that have mesh collision and movement logic. Okay. A pawn is a character, is an actor that can be possessed. A character is a type of pawn. So an actor is what I would use for like AI, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so let's say this. Call this NPC. Okay. Create the class. right. So we got our guy here, super whatever. Got our NPC. All right. What we want is him to walk around. I don't know how to do AI in here, but I can think of it logically. I don't know what's going on here. Can't find build command and active. Did you have an issue here, Visual Studio? What if I just recompile? You like that? Okay, all right, you're good. We're back. Cool. So we need to figure out how to. We need some kind of movement here that we're calling in the update. So let's call void patrol or whatever. I mean, we could do like state machine or something. But I think first let's get the patrol down. Okay. All right, we're going here, and right now let's just do. What do? You do like move? Is there just a move button? No. Okay. Let's say move actor Unreal. Let's say move actor Unreal AI.
Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes?
Hello, welcome to video 4. What is move to actor? Here's our quick little example, which I realize I didn't set up, so let's set it up, and we'll walk through how I've set it up. Basically, I am having a move to actor example event inside of my character, and I'm calling it when I spawn in my controller. And my controller is going to talk to the move to actor node here. And when we run it, you'll see our little guy moves to our actor, and then he'll stop.
Oh, so an AI is a character. I was confused. All right, so let's. I guess let's just delete that BS. Let's delete our class here. Oh. All right. Can I just update you or something? All right, so our character, we'll do NPC, AI. Sure, okay, NPC is taken. All right, AI, character. Create class, let's walk around for a second here. Okay. So, right now we got this guy crouch walking and all this stuff. What I want to do is I want to create an AI character that will move to actor. Set up player input component. We don't have a player input component because we're not player input, but it's fine. I think for this one, you get rid of the super, and we're good there. And then we have to do maybe we should watch a video on Unreal AI to make it right.
And because I'm using move.
Unreal AI. Five. I guess we'll just look at this one here.
Hello and welcome to a revamped series using Unreal Engine 5 in AI. In this series, we're covering everything to do with AI in the AI systems in Unreal Engine. In this first episode, we're going to start with the basics of setting up an AI character, including how to do the animation using the current new UI5 mannequins. So, let's get started. So, we're going to start off by creating our character class. Now, in our characters folder, which is part of the third person template, I'm going here and create another folder for our AI. And in here, we're going to create a new grouping class and choose a new character class. This will be our NPC class. So, BP, NPC. Now, alongside that, we also need to add in the AI controller. So, go into the class again, search for all classes, and search for the AI controller. The AI controller is what is going to be controlling our AI character around level. So we have this, and we call it AI or NPC. Next thing we do is go into our BP NPC and open up our character and set it up to use the Mani mannequin. Mesh component on the right hand side and choose animation, skeleton mesh here, and choose the SKM Mani. Bring that down into the capsule and turn it around, face the right way. Now, this mannequin does come with a animation blueprint, which you can find here, APB Mani. However, there's an issue with this one, in that this animation blueprint does use something that requires player input. So if you try to get anything like AI use it, it won't work. So we have to edit our APB Mani to make it work for our player character and for our AI. We'll click on the browse icon to get to the APB Mani blueprint here. This only applies if you're using this mannequin's animation blueprint. If you're using your own one, totally up to you. You can achieve that. So the culprit for that you'll find here is down in this section here. Update animation in then 1 is this get current acceleration. Now, as you can see from the tooltip, this requires input from the movement component, player input. Now, we don't necessarily have player input because this could be for AI as well. So there's a way around this. We can either skip this entirely and just make this work, which should move, or if we also want to take that into account as well, is we want to do a check to see if the pawn is player controlled. So just move that down a little bit here. Right click and do try get pawn owner, and then we're going to do this player controlled. And if it is player controlled, we're using this branch here. So it should move. We're going to take this down and do select. So, and the index is going to be our is player controlled.
Alright. You can sit down now.
Now fix that for us to work for both player and for AI. So we go back to my NPC blueprint and you should see it should look just fine. Now go to class defaults, you'll see section for AI controller. In here, you've got two options you need to tweak and change. You've got AI controller class, so this is by default set to the default AI controller class that's been given in Unreal. We're going to change it to our custom one we made, AI NPC. Then the other option you may want to change is this auto process AI. Depending on what your setup is, you may want AI to be placed in the world and be processed straight away. Maybe you want them to be processed only when it spawns in the world, or both maybe, or disabled entirely as well. There's a few options you can do now. We'll keep them placed in the world for now, but let's say no, that's the thing. Okay, we're done here. Depart and save this, and we'll close that. The other thing we're going to need is a navigational mesh. Now, nav meshes are found in your add option menu. Go to volumes, and it's right at the top, nav mesh bound volume. I've already added it to the level and stretch it across the whole entire level. And just preview it, hit the P key, you'll see a green nav mesh indicating where the NPC could go. To the level and stretch it across the whole entire level. And just preview it, hit the P key, you'll see.
Okay. Alright. So we got AI character. For now, let's just create a blueprint with that. That sounds good. So let's go back to content, blueprints, do AI, we'll do all classes. We have AI character. There we go. Okay. BP NPC. Let's take our, let's just use this guy here. Let's do this, and -90, -90. All right, there we go. He wants to change this so it works with AI. That's fine with me. So we're gonna, come on. You garbage, you garbage. Okay, all right. So we're gonna get pawn owner. Okay. Is player controlled? So you want to do a select. Okay. This is the index. And what was the
See that green nav mesh indicate the default AI controller class that's been given in Unreal. Be placed in the or both. Now fix that for us and work with owner. And then we're going to do this player controlled. And if it is player controlled, we're using this branch here. So it should move. We're going to take this down and do select. So, and the index is going to be our is player controlled. It's true, we'll be using this stuff that was here previously. If it's false, we're only going to be using the ground speed. False.
Okay. True is this. False is just that. Let's do that. Okay. There we go. Real mess, as always. Okay. Alright, so we're there. And now, what's the next step?
We'll go to there. Okay. Now go to class defaults, you'll see a section for controller.
Class defaults. There's a section called pawn. I don't see that. There's a character movement, is that what you said? Camera, actor tick. Oh, because it's so long. Okay, let's see. Auto, possess, player.
In here, you've got two options you need to tweak and change. You've got AI controller class, so this is by default set to the default AI controller class that's been given in Unreal. We're going to change it to our custom one we made, AI NPC. Then the other option we're going to change it
So
to
it's here. I just gotta figure out which one of these I gotta close to get there. Holy moly. Pawn. There it is. All right. We found you. We saved everything here. Put this back here. Okay. All right. Let's see. So we want to create a blueprint class AI controller. There it is. Select AI NPC. Okay. All right. And now here, yep, AI controller class is AI controller. I thought our AI controller class was AI NPC. Well, let's see. Thank you for the like. We are here. I just lost the video that I was watching. There it is.
Process AI. Depending on what your setup is, you may require AI to be placed in the world and be processed straight away. Maybe you want them to be processed only when they've been spawned into the world.
We're working
Or
on
both,
AI
or disabled entirely as well. There's a few options you can do.
for
We can
our
post them both
little
now, but
mechanic
say no,
here. Our
that's
mechanic would be
okay, we've done here.
pickpocket.
Save this.
So right now we got this to remind everyone. Right now we got our custom character here. We got him moving. Got him crouching, sneaking. Not a very nice jump thing, but we'll fix that. That's where we're at right now. So right now we're trying to set up the AI. I've never done AI in Unreal, so we're working on that.
Dev meshes are found.
Well, actually, I have done it. Correct me. I have done it, but only one time, and I don't remember anything really about it. I think I did it wrong. So there's all that. I want volumes, nav mesh bounds, and can I like go perspective or something? There we go. Top. Where are we? Where's my nav mesh bounds volume? Here it is. So let's just go like this. Let's move you to the center. That's 0. Okay, that's not the center. Let's go like right here. Let's go this way. Let's just get all this. Get all this. Okay. We are now lit perspective. And where is our nav mesh bounds? A little low. Let's just do that. And so now if I push P, we got the nav mesh, but we want it to be a little taller, huh? Okay. Oh, too tall. You don't want to walk on the walls here. It's just wasted space. That's good. Okay, so we got our nav mesh going. I don't know what this is. I'll just delete that. That'll make it easier. And, okay. What's next, buddy?
In your add option menu, go down to
Okay,
volumes.
thank you
right
for the
top, nav mesh
likes.
bound volume. I've already added it to the level and stretch it across the whole entire level. And to preview it, hit the P key. You'll see a green nav mesh indicating where the P key. Okay, so now we've got our AI character self.
Yeah, we got that.
But now we need to give it some behavior to run around.
Okay.
Now we're going to do something very basic. We're going to just follow the player character. So I'm going to go to my content drawer, open up the character here.
Yeah, so I think now I kind of get it. So we're going to patrol. Let's just make some patrol points, I guess. So let's go here. We'll do an actor. We'll say BP. I mean, this is probably not the best way to do it. But patrol point. This is the way I'm going to do it for now because I don't want to sit here and wait all day. Let's just make like a couple here, there, there. My phone is going off the hook, huh? Let's go in a circle here. Alright. Let's put our NPC in here. And the easy way to do it, I think right now, is I think there's something called like AI. Let's go here. So we go, we get, or we call this AI controller. We go to AI, or NPC AI. AI NPC. There's that. We go here, set. We're gonna do get AI controller. No, what is it? Get AI controller. That's my thing. I've seen it. Okay, let's see what you do.
On begin play, we're going to do AI move 2. And
AI move 2. That
This
easy.
requires a pawn reference, but it's itself.
Okay. AI move 2. Okay. Self. Okay, and the destination. Let's just say it's bedtime. Boo boo bedtime. Okay, let's see. So let's find all patrol point. array here. This is an array. We're going to set this. This is not called that anymore. This is called control points. Okay. And we're going to find get, let's see, get actors of class out actors, say control point out actors. There's that. We'll go here, move to get, and sure, we'll just say 0. Now there. And is moving is a bool. And we're going to set it. Well, I think we can figure out is moving. So we'll say acceleration, if it's not equal to 0, so the same thing, but acceleration is only there. So if our speed, we just want our speed, right? So our speed is velocity and then the xy length, that's our speed. So basically is moving is going to be equal to that, is greater than 3. Right? We'll set that. Sequence. So first we'll do that. Let's make this into a macro here. Let's make this easy. Now we call that set is moving. Okay, and then if we're not moving, then we're going to find another point. Create a function. All right, so now it's getting a little too much for me. I'm going to do some C++ here and clean this out. So what do we want to get all the patrol points, and then we want to create a function. We'll do a protected function. We'll call this void get next point. We'll do a protected for the method or for the variables. Say a patrol point Okay, so let's go here. Let's create a new C++ class, actor, next, control point. There's that. Let's do that. Create the class. That way we can get it. Alright, reload all. Now we can get that here. So we say protected control point, next control point, and current point. Okay. Include that, move that up. We're good. I think we can just do this. I think it doesn't want me to do that. Is that why it's mad? It wants to redo this. It's fine. Okay. Still mad. That's fine. I don't care. All right. So now we're gonna do this. Get next point. we're going to have a patrol point array. Is that how you do that? I think it's fine. M points. Okay, and we're gonna do U property blueprint read write, something like that, and then edit anywhere. I think that's what we want. Right? And how do you do an array? Is this not right? Let's see. Thought it was right. Oh, you have to say how many? You have to say how many. Oh yeah, we're living in a real world here. Let's do fuck. That is crazy, huh? Alright, let's just say 6. Is that what's wrong? No? Or is that only when you do? Because I feel like I could do a new array anytime, right? Like, it doesn't have to be that. Let's see what's wrong with this. I'll ask my buddy. What's the error then? Expected an identifier. Does it want me to do this thing? The pointer? No. I'm just gonna try and build it. I think it'll tell me when I do that, right? Build failed. Please see live coding console for error here. Okay. Where are you? There you are. And if I do this, does the build still fail? Nope. So it definitely is that. But what is it about that? Huh. It just says there's an error with the array. This is my friend GPT. Oh, T array? Ah. Okay, now we know. T array. Alright. T array. A patrol point. And it is this. Okay. That's it. Okay. I don't think I need the current point. What we're going to do is we're going to get the next point. Okay. So let's create that. Oh, let's do this. This is a U function. And it's blueprint callable. I think that's what we want. Let's do get next point. Create a definition for it. We're going to say, I want to basically say, let's see, what do we have? What's our name of everything? M points. So I want to get a random point. Well, here we go. Random point from M points. I feel like I'm cheating. There we go. So we're getting a random index, F math random range. Okay. So let's do that. Let's type it so we feel like we did something. M point dot count dot num. Okay, so that's why we do a T array. Because I think if you do the other one, you got to do this nonsense to get the. Okay, M points dot num is greater than 0. So if we have it less than 0 or equal to 0, we're going to return null pointer. Okay, and now we're going to do int 32 random is equal to F math random range. Okay, 0 to M points dot num minus 1. Okay, and then we're going to return mPoints random. Okay, so that should be our little function here. Let's see. Alright, so now we have this, so we're going to we set all our patrol points. Instead of this, we're going to say set points, set mPoints. There's that. It's a different kind because we're getting all actors of, instead of VP patrol point, let's create another thing. Go here, we'll say patrol point, and here we'll say BP patrol point with an E. Delete this, replace it with BP patrol point with an E. Okay, and it's crashed. Great. Restart. Restore. How far back are we? Huh? Find skeleton. Replace skeleton with this one. Okay? Replace skeleton. Alright, so it all crashed out. Replace skeleton with this one. Alright. The animation is this. Trash that. The animation is now this. And this. Okay. 0, 150. Okay. Save that. Looks good. Are we good now? Oh, where's our guy? Third person blueprint. There we go. Here he is. All fucked up. There he is. AVP guy is all messed up, so let's recompile. Sequence player. References what? This is crouch idle. Okay. Crouch idle. Is that better? Sequence player to crouch. Stand to crouch. Okay. Okay, what is this? From crouch. Okay. Crouch to stand. Easy. What else? That's it? Are we gonna work now? We're back? Oh, but the blueprint did not save the crouch. So let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, IA crouch. Triggered. I'm triggered here. Completed. Okay, that wasn't it. Is it because there's no IA crouch? There is none. Alright, now there is. Save that. Okay, we're back. Okay, we're back on that front. That's good. That's all good. Let's close that. Save everything. Why didn't we save? Real mistake there. Alright, so we're at AI. We have this BA patrol point that is an actor. We don't want that. Force delete. That's fine. Now we're going back. We're creating one based on patrol point. No, we have, okay, this is what it wants us to do. It wants us to close this nonsense. We want to go to phone home here. What is this called? What was it called? Pickpocket. Show in folder. We're going to generate Visual Studio project files. Okay. Now we're going to launch it. Oh, no. Just open this up. Okay, we're back. World contains invalid actor files. Click the repair button. Where is the repair button? What files does it even contain? Repair. Was that it? Alright. Now play. The crouch doesn't work again. We're going through it today. IA crouch. Okay. Triggered. Completed. Done. Input. It's there. Alright. And we're saved, right? Yes, we saved. Okay. So now we click play. We can crouch, we can walk, we can crouch. Okay. That's fine. Our C++ classes, we have pickpocket character. Okay. And if I go to our source, pickpocket, public, we have patrol point and AI character. And here, what? Alright, I have an idea. I know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong, but I know sometimes how to fix it. You do like something like, what do you delete? Intermediate binaries? Something like that. And you go through here, you generate the Visual Studio project files. You close this BS. Oh, Unreal. It's really having an issue here, huh? There we go. Just start. Sometimes it messes up. 1 of 15 actions. It might be a while here. What are you waiting for? What is wrong with this? I hate this. That part's fine. This part's not. Let's build. Well, that happens sometimes. Today, I guess we're gonna call it because it's late already anyway, huh? It was good to have some people in here, and if you're catching on later side, you know, let me know what you. Oh wait, oh. Let's finish this out. I thought it was gonna be taking a while. It looks like it finished. Okay. Let's finish at least getting the AI to walk around before we go, and then tomorrow or the next time I get on here, we'll work on more pickpocketing stuff. So let's see, is this guy gonna open now? Yes, he is. Alright, cool. So that's fine. This doesn't matter. That I do want, but instead of this, I'm gonna turn this to patrol point. Right there. That's good. Set patrol points. We're going to say patrol point. Perfect. There. Compile. No more errors. Okay. Now, we're going to do get next point. There's that. And there's this. We can delete this. There we go. Okay, so we're getting the next point. Now, we do this here. If we are not moving, then we get the next point. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. So now let's go here, create an actor based on patrol points. Okay, BP patrol point. Okay, and then we just put a couple around here. Okay, we're here. There's that, save everything. Let's save it all here. Okay, and now we need to get the nav mesh again. Volumes, nav mesh bounds, let's bring it down. Let's make it 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's make it the right height, first and foremost. That looks good to me. Let's move it to the top. Make this lit. And move it here, and just make it wide enough to fit where we're going. That should be good. It could be rough. It's okay as long as it encapsulates what we want. What do we want? Push P to see what we got going on. It looks good to me. All right, let's drop our guy in here and see what happens. He's not moving. You're not moving. Why are you not moving? Well, let's see. We got this, we got this. Get all actors. Get next point and move. You're not moving. Oh, because of the destination? What if I do like position, get actor location, and I do here, we do this, we do that. Is that what you want? Access none trying to, okay, alright. That's fair. Access none. Let's say, I can watch the value, what does that mean? Okay, so we're returning none. Alright. So why are we returning none? We're setting. Oh, of course. Set points. Duh. There we go. Are you still returning none? Oh, okay. You're going crazy on a random path here. Alright. You're fast. You're fast. Alright. He's going wild. Oh. Alright, we got ourselves an AI. Oh man, this is a real wild goose chase here. Where did he go? Oh. Alright, cool. Now, the next step would be, why does it keep doing this every time? It doesn't let me crouch anymore. IA, what is it called? Crouch. Triggered? Yes. Completed? Yes. Okay. Now let's set that guy's speed to be like much slower because he's so fast. Let's say set max walk speed to like 125 or something. Let's pop that in there. Pop that in there. And let's call that good. Alright, and now we just sneak up behind him and do our business here. I don't like that turn speed is a little bit wonky here. Let's see if we can set that turn speed too. I don't know if we can. I'm sure we can. I'm sure we can. Let's just relax. Let's be optimistic here. What is this? I want to unwatch this value. All right, let's set turn rotation rate. Okay, set rotation rate. Let's get, oh man, I don't know what it is. 10? Oh, but that's the Y, and we're doing the Z, right? Because this is Unreal. Let's see how that looks. That didn't really do anything, that rotation rate nonsense. Maybe I should look it up. We got ourselves an AI here, huh? Alright. Well, that's fine with that max walk speed. He's looking good. And then tomorrow, since it's late already, we are going to just comment this. Max walk speed. Then we are get all patrol points. Okay, then we're and just so I don't forget, and then we're gonna move 2 points. All right, that easy. We're good there. That should be good. This is good. All right. We're unreeled up. One final play. Here's our little man. This is what we created. Little AI bump clot. AI is easy. As 1, 2, 3 easy. That's what they say. I like that. This is good. Now I can sniff this guy's ass. Robot. Robot. Alright, that was stupid. Alright, thank you guys for watching when you watched, and thank you for watching in the After Effects here. It was good to chat, good to see ya, good to think of ya, and fun to work on this. And we're going to finish this another time. Just getting a little steamy here. It's a little tired.